How to build a perfect den.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Okay, everyone, listen. It's a beautiful day. I think we should go play outside.
Aw, but we like it in here. My music sounds great.
Yeah, and I can see the screen on my game.
I'm having a lot of fun drawing everything.
But look, my house is a mess, and it's far too loud.
Aww.
Why don't we build a den outside? That way we can all still play, and my house can be quiet and tidy.
Build a den?
What do you mean?
With what?
Come with me. I'll show you. I have been collecting bits of wood from the fun forest. We could use this to build a den. It'll be fun.
I guess that'd be kind of fun.
Yeah, it could work.
Magnifique!
Great. Okay, you guys grab the wood and I'll fetch some tools. Let's meet by the big old oak tree.
Help Bimmy find the right tools. Put the red hammer in the toolbox. Well done! Now let's put the green screwdriver. Put the measuring tape in the toolbox. Great job! Put the violet saw in the toolbox. All that's left is to put the box of nails in it. Wow, you did great!
So what do we do first?
We need some walls to catch the sound of my music. Some windows to look out of.
And a roof, so I can see my screen. And a floor? We don't need a floor. We have the ground to sit on. Okay, so what do we do now? I don't know.
It looks like you have all the pieces for a great den there.
Yes, but we're not sure how to put it together.
Okay, where's your blueprint?
Blueprint?
It's like a plan. When you build anything, you need a plan.
Oh, you mean like instructions.
Eureka! Yes, it's a set of instructions. Let me show you. We'll make a nice, strong base to hold everything up. Then we'll attach Heidi's walls. Then we can add Nicole's nice windows. And finally, Charlie's roof. And now we have a blueprint for your den.
Wow! Let's do it!
Let's build a den with friends. Move the right items into their place. Wow, we managed to build a great den.
Phew.
There's only one thing left to do.
What's that?
Go inside.
Yay!